Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I'd like to just take a moment and thank everyone who has bought my book. And I did get my first shipment in, so I can send the signed copies out to you. And I am really looking forward to signing these books. It has been such a pleasure reading all of the wonderful comments. And I can't wait to sign the books and send them off to you. And there's a lot of names that I do recognize as I do read every single comment. And it's like I know you personally because of all of the interactions we've been able to have with each other. So I'm going to take time and sign some books. And this book is going out to Terry. Hi, Terry. It is always nice to hear from you. Love, Laura. And this is Terry from Texas and Rachel from Canada. Have a so-tacular day. And Jane from Loon Lake. Sounds like a really nice place. Hope your day is so-tacular. I'm just going to sign these books all day, and I can't wait to get them out to you. The signed copies are coming from me personally, and I do live in Canada. So depending on where you live, the shipments are going to vary in time. But I am looking forward to getting these signed as soon as I can and getting them out to you. I did do a video introducing the book and had a little trunk show in that video, and I'll put a link in the description if you do want to check it out. Thank you very much for buying the books from your local store, from Amazon, and from me personally. And as always, thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe and come on back. Let's see what we're talking about next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.